back at Kane's Custom. Trying to see what the fuck going on. See if we got some good news. Uh-oh, working on it. Look at Mustang. Yes, worry about that motor. It's coming. Uh-oh, no handles. Waiting on that opera bezel. Oh, there you go in there. Okay. We got motion, we have a motion. Uh-oh, y'all look. The trunk painted. Yeah, nigga come up here and go crazy to get them motherfuckers painted, but they painted though. Understand? Yeah, stop playing. I told him, man, not to put my new bezels on here, right? And my new tail light without me being here so I can record it, right? If I can show y'all, I ain't even get to document that. But anyway, so he finally got that paint off of there right here. He had to go get a new one. But the motherfucker look good, boy. That grow looking good on the bitch. New lights, nigga, stop playing. Let's see what hair this nigga got. How you doing, sir?
What's going on, my head? You doing all right, bro?
Hey, I can't climb.
Good.
What up, Trey? I don't know, man. Man of the hour.
That's what we got.
How you doing, sir? How you doing? Okay. You got going on?
Got a lot of shit done on it. Can't come up here with all that motherfucking talk jack and talking shit.
I already done shouted you out, bro. Why you wanna do me like that? I already done talk good. Now you wanna go hard on me. You know, I always got something to say though. I ain't gonna say it on camera.
You like this?
Yeah, you supposed to let me document. I said that too.
I ain't want to.
I said, damn, he ain't let me document my shit. I had that shit in the box. Nigga, they want to see that shit come out the box.
I got the box over down the ground with the old shit. The old shit over there. Show them the old and the new shit.
Hey. Stop playing my shit. New nigga from the motherfucking factory, nigga. This ain't no motherfucking refurbished General Motors. You think gonna scratch them or you gonna make them worse, huh?
Shit, man. What you gonna do with it?
Man, somebody might need them. Somebody might not got now.
That shit on the, who wanna put that shit on their car? Did you?
Come on, man, I'm different.
Nah,
I know nigga that buy used clothes, like buy them like out the store. Like, nah.
Might be right.
I know nigga that shop on the sale wall.
I'll shop on the sale wall.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know neither, but the niggas do though. Look, I walk up, get what I say. What? Yeah, y'all see you paint that hood, that trunk though.
Trunk done.
You still gotta buff it?
Yeah, but I'm with
okay, so I ain't got, so that's what it is.
What?
Right here, I see some little, I wasn't gonna say it on camera, but I see like some.
I ain't wet sand buffy yet.
I know. Oh, I know now, but I was like, damn, this shit look a little swirly. I can see the body work right there. All right, fella, it ain't wet sand and buff.
Got your little vent tin inside right there.
They on the way. I got this. I got the sparkle, and I got the vent.
Got your chrome on the wheel wells. Ain't complaining about that shit no more.
Okay, got my trim on, y'all, and he got my rocker panel.
And they painted blue.
And they painted blue in the little line, y'all. Just cause you can't see it, yeah, it blue in there. It ain't black like y'all shit.
Got your dog chrome on this side.
So I'm a chrome down on this side, y'all.
Pop ends in.
Repop still ain't in, but the wheel trim on.
Got your emblem on the front.
Why you put the emblem on? You ain't paint the thing blue.
I can't paint the blue, but they ain't gonna let me paint the blue. But I tried all the painters doing. I tried to dab it in there, it's leaking down.
Yeah, so I gotta buy a whole new one and let you
I
go.
don't want to do it, I just spray it go.
All right. Still good though. Might well take the tape out then if I can see how it look. Let me do something. Let me screw my little. Okay, there wheel trim. Okay, this side lacking. This the lack side right here, y'all. Trim ain't on. Missing the panel piece right there. Yep. Yeah, right here a little loose. I'm still missing my back fillers. So you still got painting to do. You Still got to paint the filler, huh?
Just that, yeah. That's the only thing left. Ain't left.
One thing left, you got to paint. You know, they mine too, please don't lose them.
I ain't gonna lose that. That's why everything's sitting right here.
Man, this ain't everything. This little shit. These my screw right here.
Right. Oh. Damn, I was doing something.
Roll up. Smoke break.
They ain't got no motion in the can.
Boy, stop playing on me, boy. You see that shit gone, boy? That shit got there. Yo, stop playing. You see the whip on that boy.
Hey, you can carry it away now. Yeah, here you go. They gonna have a problem with goddamn everything.
Yeah, y'all seen me get off. I do everything, nigga. Want the car prime? Fuck with me. 200. 200 prime your whole shit. Fuck with me. Bean prices and everything. Yeah. Boy, stop playing. It was goddamn, had some little squeaky in there. I just got that motherfucker. Ain't right, bro? Yeah, you looking for? What you finna say for? What is that?
Betty.
Oh. Oh. He ain't doing that, y'all. He's just wrapping shit up. I'm curious now. Where the hell they go?
On your car?
Oh, they go to my car?
Yeah.
What the hell is this? Spark plug?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
For your car?
For the motor?
Yeah, to make it run good.
Okay. Keeping me up on the low? Trying to keep me up? Trying to keep me up on the low, y'all. With the red plug. Oh, boy, got the screw out. I know what that is. I know a little something, bro.